Hello students, in this lecture we are going to see the second method to solve the 2 by 2 games without saddle point, which is arithmetic method. Now we will see the steps to solve arithmetic method. First, find the difference of two numbers in first column and write this difference omitting the sign below the second column. Okay, and second step is find the difference of the two numbers in second column and write this difference omitting the sign below the first column. Next step is third. Next, find the difference of row. So in first two cases we have find out the difference of column. Now in third and fourth cases we will find out the difference of row. So difference of two numbers in the first row and write this difference and omitting the sign below to the second column. And fourth one is find the difference of two numbers in the second row, write this difference omitting the sign below the first row. So the value obtained above are called oddments. Okay, so these values obtained are called oddments of the various pure strategies and indicate their frequencies in the optimal strategy of the player. And next, fifth step is check that the sum of oddments of both the players should be same. What we have to check here? Sum of the oddments means after taking a row difference and column difference, so after adding, so this value must be same, so both the players use their all the pure strategies. Sixth step is the optimal strategies of the persons of the players is obtained by dividing the oddments by the sum of the oddments. And seventh step is to obtain the value of the game and use equation 5. What is equation? So equation is v star is equal to a11 into x plus a21 into 1 minus x. So to find out the value of game, so this is the formula to find out the game. Substituting values in this equation we get game value. Now let's solve this problem. Obtain the best strategies for each player and value of the game to players for following payoff matrix. So payoff matrix is player B having strategies B1, B2 and player A having strategies A1, A2. So this is player A. So we have given values are 5, 3, 1, 4. So use the method for solving this the arithmetic method. So what we have? So let's solve. Now this is a method for solving no saddle point. First check the given method having saddle point or not. See the solution. Now first given, so first find out saddle point. Now player B having strategies B1, B2 and player A having strategies A1, A2. So this is player A. So we have 5, 3, 1, 4. Now find row minimum and column maximum. Okay, so column maximum is 5 and here in second column maximum value is 4. Among these maximum value, minimum value is 4, so round it. Next to find out row minimum. So in first row minimum value is 3 and in second row minimum value is 1. Okay, so among these minimum value, what is the maximum value? So among these minimum value 1 and 3, maximum between these two is 3. Therefore what we have here maximum of column, maximum column is equal to what? 5, 4. Among that minimax, that implies minimax value, minimum of that maximum value will be 4, right? And so row minimum, so minimum of row is equal to, what is minimum of row? 3, 1. Among that, what is maximum? So maximin value is equal to maximum of this minimum value, which is 3. Therefore maximum value is not equal to min-max value. Therefore here what we say, maximin value is not equal to min-max value. Therefore it has no saddle point. Therefore we will find out value of game by using arithmetic method. But here min-max value is 4, maximum value is 3. Therefore value of game lies between 3 and 4. Therefore value of game lies between 3 and 4, right? Now we will use which method? Algebraic arithmetic method. So what is arithmetic method? Now let's see. So first write down the given payoff matrix. So here player B having strategies B1 and B2, and here player A having strategies A1, A2. So player A strategies. Okay. Next is oddments. Next is, so here is again oddments. Next is optimal strategies. And here also optimal strategies. So our values are, so what we have given, A1 5, 3, 1, 4. So these are our given payoff matrix. Now what is oddments? Now we will first find out column difference. So first column is 5 1, second column is 3 4. So taking difference of these two values and omitting the sign, then write down this difference below the second column. So here what is difference between these two values? So 5 minus 1, which is 4, and avoid it or omitting the sign. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So avoiding the sign, will get 4, and which is written exactly below the second column. Next, taking difference between these two values. So 4 minus 3 or 3 minus 4, which is minus 1, and omitting the sign, which is 1, and write this difference exactly first column, so which is 1. Okay. Next, addition of these two values is 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay. And here again oddments of this. So first we have taking difference of columns. Now we will take difference of row. Now taking difference, first 5 minus 3, which is 2. So avoiding a sign. So we write this difference exactly next to the term, next to second row. So which is 2. And difference of these two, 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. And avoiding sign, we will get 3. So here 3 plus 2, which is again equal to 5. Okay. So this is the addition of oddment. Now next, find out optimal strategies. Now we divide this by addition of these oddments. So we divide 3 by addition of oddments. So 3 upon 5. So which is 3 by 5. And here we divide this by addition of oddments. So 2 upon 5. And here what we get? So divide 1 by 5. And here after dividing 4 by 5. Now we will calculate in percentage. So after multiply it by 100, then what will be its percentage? So after multiplying by 100, we will get, so 3 by 5 into 100 we will get, which is 60% strategy, optimal strategy. So after multiplying by 100, we will get, it is 40%. Okay, so addition of this will be 100%. Again we will multiply this by 100, then we will get, so which is nothing but, so after multiplying 100, which is 20%, After multiplying by 100, we will get 80%. Okay, this is the optimal strategies. This is for player A and this is for player B. Okay, now to find out optimal strategy for two players are as follow. Therefore, its solution is optimal strategies of two players of player A, which is, what is for player A, which is 3/5 and 2/5. Okay, and for player B, optimal strategies for player B is equal to, what is optimal strategy for player B, which is 1/5 and 4/5. So 1/5 and 4/5 is the optimal strategy for player B. Now we have to calculate value of game. So what is formula for value of game? Therefore value of game is nothing but V star is equal to A11 into x plus A21 into 1 minus x. So this is value for x and this is value for 1 minus x, right? So this is x, this is 1 minus x, and this is A11, A12, A21, A22. So 5 into this value plus 1 into this value. So here we get, so which is equal to 5 into 3/5, 5 into 3/5 plus 1 into 2/5, 1 into 2/5. So after solving, we will get 5 into 3, 15/5 plus 2/5. So taking denominator is same, so taking numerator we get 17/5. So after solving, we get find 3.4. So we get value of game is 3.5, and here we have seen that, so here given problem has no saddle point, therefore value of game lies between 3 and 4. Therefore this is the method for, therefore by algebraic arithmetic method, therefore by arithmetic method we get, this is arithmetic method for solving 2/2 matrices, okay, or 2/2 game. Okay, so this is the solution for given problem, and here we get optimal strategy for player A 3/5, 2/5, and optimal strategies for player B, which is 1/5, 4/5, and value of game which is 3.4, and which lies between on this interval. This is the min max and max min value. Okay, so value of game lies between always in min max and max min value. Okay, now let's see one more problem. Obtain the best strategies for each player and the value of game to player of the following payoff matrix. So payoff matrix is for player B we have given two strategies HT, and player A having two strategies HT. So given payoff matrix is of order 2/2, having element 2, -1, -1, 0. So we will solve this by using arithmetic method. So given 2/2 payoff matrix is, so this is for player B having strategy HT, and for player A having strategies HT again, and we have the values 2, -1, -1, 0. Now first check the given problem have a saddle point or not. So first minimum of row and maximum of column. Okay, so what is maximum? 2. So -1 and 0, maximum is 0, and in row minimum is -1, and here second also minimum is -1. Therefore here in maximum value we will find out minimum, which is 0, and in minimum values, in this minimum value we will find out maximum. Both are same, so we get one of them, so maximum which is -1 or -1. So here therefore minimax value here, minimax value, minimax, so minimum of maximum value which is 0 and maximum of minimum value, maximin which is equal to maximum value is -1. Therefore here minimax is not equal to maximin value. Minimax value is not equal to maximin value. Therefore problem has no saddle point. No saddle point. So in this case, so this problem has no saddle point. Therefore value of game which lies between 0 and -1. Therefore value of game lies between 0 and -1, that is 0 less than equal to here -1 less than equal to v less than equal to 0. Okay, so lower value will be -1 and upper value will be 0. Okay, now we'll find out the value of game by using arithmetic method. Then by arithmetic method, so what is arithmetic method? So first write down, so this is player B having strategies H, T, and player A having strategies HT. So we have given 2 by 2 payoff matrix 2, -1, -1 and 0. Now next find out oddments and then find out optimal strategies. Okay, and here again we will find out oddments and then find out optimal strategies. Okay, so here this. Now first find out column difference. So taking difference 2 minus of -1 which is 3 and avoid sign and write down this value exactly below the second column. So difference between 2 minus of -1, so 2 plus 1 which is 3 and write down this value exactly below the second column. Now next we'll take difference of these two values. So -1 or -1, -1 -0, so which is -1 and avoid sign, so we get 1 exactly below the first column. Next taking row difference and write down it in front of second row. So here difference between 2 minus of -1 which is 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1 which is 3 and write down this value exactly next to second row which is 3, and here -1 -0 which is -1 and omit the sign and write down this value next to the first row, so which is 1, and addition of these two is 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 plus 3 is also 4. Now next to find out optimal strategies. So first now we divide this oddment by their additions. So here 1 by 4 and here next 3 by 4, and here after dividing this by their sum of oddments 1 by 4 and here is 3 by 4. Now we calculate in percent. So multiply up to by 100 we will get, after multiplying by 100, so we will get in percentage, so which is 25%. After multiplying by 100 we get 75%. So so taking addition we will get 100%, and here is also which is 25% and this is 75%. Okay, so after adding we get 100%. Now to find out optimal strategy, therefore optimal strategies for player A will be, so for player A optimal strategy is 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, and similarly optimal strategies for player B is equal to what, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 also. Okay, so these are the optimal strategies for player Now we have to calculate values of game. Therefore value of game which is nothing but V star, and V star is equal to, so what is V star? Is equal to a11x plus a21 into 1 minus x, so which is equal to, so this is a11 and this is a21, and here this is the value of x and this is value of 1 minus x. Okay, so minus 1 into 1 by 4, so which is minus 1 into 1 by 4 plus 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus 1 into 3 by 4, minus 1 into 3 by 4. So here after adding this, so here 2 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. So taking denominator, so denominator is same, so addition of these two number is 2 minus 3, which is minus 1 by 4. Here we get value of game is minus 1 upon 4, and this value lies between minus 1 to 0. Therefore, so value of game is minus 1 upon 4, and optimal strategies for player A and B is 1 upon 4, 3 by 4, and for player B optimal strategy is 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, right? Okay, we will stop here. In next lecture we will see the next method, third, which is dominance method for solving solution of 2 by n or m by 2 game without saddle points. Thank you.